Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato at home with an ice cream maker. First, gather your essential ingredients: whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and egg yolks. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been pre-chilled in the freezer for at least 24 hours. This step is crucial for achieving the right consistency. Also, prepare any flavorings you plan to use, such as a vanilla bean or a fresh fruit puree. Next, we'll create the rich gelato base. In a saucepan, gently heat the whole milk, heavy cream, and sugar over medium heat, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks. Slowly pour about 1/4 of the warm milk mixture into the yolks, whisking constantly to temper them. Then, add the tempered yolks back into the saucepan with the remaining milk mixture and cook until it slightly thickens. Once your gelato base is cooked, it's vital to chill it thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. A very cold base churns better. When ready, pour the chilled base into your pre-chilled ice cream maker. Churn according to your machine's instructions, typically for about 20 minutes, until the gelato reaches a soft serve consistency. It should look thick and creamy. After churning, transfer your freshly made gelato to an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for 2 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up to the perfect scoopable consistency. For the absolute best texture and flavor, serve your delicious homemade gelato immediately after this final freeze. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your kitchen adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.